I'm sure we all appreciate how important it is to keep our rails bright and shiny so that we get good electrical contact with our wheels on the rails, but equally important is to keep the loco wheels clean and the rolling stock. Just an example of how important it is to keep the wheels clean, even on such things as coaches, rolling stock. You might find that after a considerable period of running you get some sort of lumpy sort of rides and unaccountable derailments. Well, just take a look at the dirt on this wheel and I'll show you what it's like when we've cleaned it. Using one ordinary cotton bud and some track magic, and then we'll show you just by revolving this on the wheel the results we get. And that clean cotton bud is after cleaning just that one wheel, and you can see the example. We're going to do that one next, and now you can see how nice and clean that one is compared to this side, which we're going to have a go at next. Right, so we have a close-up of that bogie now. All four wheels have been cleaned, and I hope you can see the results, how much more shiny they are. We'll take a look at the other end as a comparison, and you can see that they're dull. You see the build-up of dirt on that bogie, so we'll get those cleaned next. Okay, so there we are with the final bogie, all four wheels now looking quite shiny. About 5 minutes a coach to do the two bogies, and what a difference this will make to the running. Don't forget, don't only clean the loco wheels, clean the rolling stock.